We guide you through how to change your Gmail password quickly and securely. First thing you need to do is sign in to your Google account using a web browser or the Gmail app. Then go to manage your Google account, and from there, open the security tab and look for signing in to Google section. Click password and verify your identity if prompted, and enter your new password. Make sure it's a strong by using a mix of letter, numbers, and symbols. After confirming the new password, Google will automatically update it across Gmail and all connected Google services. Once done, sign back in to your devices using the new password to keep your account fully secured.